Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Shakila Fazila Athar with student ID 202432031. So in this video, I will explain my network security practicum about Port Sentry and Kauri Honeypot. The purpose of this practicum is to learn how to detect suspicious network activities and monitor attacker using two different security tools. Nowadays, network security is very important because many cyber attacks begin with simple activities such as port scanning. If these activities are not detected, attacker may find vulnerability and continue with more serious attack. In this practicum, we use Port Sentry as an intrusion detection tool and Cowry as a honeypot to monitor attacker activities. The first step was installing Port Sentry on Kali Linux. Port Sentry. We updated the package repository and installed Port Sentry using the terminal. After the installation was complete, the application was ready to be configured. Next, we configured the network in VirtualBox. The virtual machine and the host computer had to be connected to the same network so they could communicate with each other. This configuration was necessary because the scanning task would be performed from the Windows host to the Kali Linux virtual machine. After changing the network setting, um, we verify the connection using the ping command to make sure both devices were connected successfully. After the network was ready, we edit the POSentry configuration file. In this step, we configure how POSentry monitor the network and the detect port scanning activity. Then we start the POSentry service, enable it to run automatically when the system boots, and check its status to ensure that it was running correctly. If everything was successful, the service status showed that POSentry was active and ready to monitor the network. Wait, this one. The next step was testing the system. We used Nmap from the Windows computer to scan the IP address of the Kali Linux machine. During the scan, POSentry detected the scanning activity and recorded it in its log file. This result showed that POSentry can identify suspicious network behavior before an attacker performs a real attack. After Next, after completing the POSentry configuration, we installed Cowry Honeypot. Um, First, we downloaded the Cowry search code from GitHub. Then we create a dedicated username Cowry to improve security and change the ownership of the installation directory. Next, we created a Python virtual environment, activated and updated pip to prepare um all required dependencies for Cowry. The step ensured that Cowry could run it in an isolated environment without affecting the main operating system. Cowry is a honeypot that simulates SSH and telnet service. Instead of protecting the server directly, it attracts attacker and record everything they do. It can capture login attempt, comment entered by attacker, and other activity. This information is useful for analyzing attack methods and improving network security. Uh, yeah, in conclusion, this practicum help us understand two important network security tools. Port Sentry successfully detected port scanning attempt, while Cowry provided a safe environment to monitor attacker activity. Both tools are useful for improving network monitoring and helping administrators identify potential security and threats and at an early stage. Yeah, thank you for watching. Sorry if there is a mistake and um anything mistake. Yeah, bye guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.